Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a really seamless look on your plug and switch covers, check out these from Legrand. These are the Legrand Radiant screwless wall plates for Decorator rocker outlets, and these are from Seymour. We really love the way that these look because they are so clean and seamless. You don't have any visible screws showing, and they're nice and flat when you use them in conjunction with the Legrand switches or outlets. And I do like that you can use these for either the switches or the outlets, so you can buy one item and use it for all of those things. These covers are made from a really durable polycarbonate. They feel really sturdy, and they definitely did not feel flimsy when we were installing them, so I really believe that these are going to last a long time. These plate covers are a really nice and simple way to upgrade the look of your home and make it look really clean and modern and beautiful. So I am super happy with the look of these switch plate covers, and that is my point of view.